So I'm recording now, but what I'm telling the chat right now is that this 4 hour 4 hour buy side liquidity will really mean thing that they like to do is bring it all the way up really close, induce traders long, and then they completely collapse the market. We inverse this. If we get it right now, we're going to short it. I think I even want to do it right now, guys. But I'm not going to. I'm going to wait for the 1 minute close. On the 30-second, there's probably a really good short in here. But if this 1 minute inverses, guys, we are going to take this short and we're going to make a shit ton of money. Probably down to this low is where I'll take profits. But let's see what we get. And again, guys, this is live. If you don't believe me, the market is still open for another 5 hours. Guys, I am really debating front running this. I'm going to front run it. My stop is now going to be right here because if this is going to move, it's not even going to give me an entry. And my take profit is going to be down here. So the real entry, guys, is a 1 minute close below this, but just because of this momentum, I think this is going to completely smoke all these lows. So up to you guys if you want to front run it, but I'm telling you right now, it's pretty likely. Think about all the people that are like, oh, I'm going to long this 1 minute fair value gap. Hopefully I'm not eating my words here, but I think it's going to collapse. Okay, so obviously you want to wait for a 1 minute IFEG. Again, I'm front running this because I have a feeling it's just going to collapse without giving me the entry. But there is a chance that we come back up to this 1 minute, in which case I'll get stopped out, but that's fine. I do think this is still going to work. Richie, why'd you short? Basically experience. That's pretty much it, honestly. I'm not lying. Okay, guys, my stop is at break even now, but this should completely dump to this low, this low, this low. I'm the GOAT. Like, see, now it's a free trade, and I just get to watch it. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm telling you, this is probably going to hit. It's probably going to go much lower than my take profit, but I'm fine with that. You guys see how I recorded that before it started? I told you guys what was going to happen. It's wild. Like, it's actually wild. Once you have screen time and experience, you can literally make this a money printer. It's actually wild. And I'm telling you, now that this inverse, this is going to completely collapse. But maybe I get stopped out first. But again, it's a free trade, so I could care less. I don't care. You guys see how that works? So this is a 3 minute inverse too. This is going to go all the way down to this inverse. I will probably, maybe I'll take profits at this low. I haven't decided yet, but we'll see. Everybody that's long here, you have to think has their stop below this low. The algorithms spool price down there. If you think the market is a free market, you're completely wrong. It's all run on an algorithm. I'm telling you guys right now. It is designed to stop traders from making money. Everybody that longed this wick is going to get destroyed, and they're going to move their stop lower and lower and lower, and some of them are going to leave it all the way down to 50%. This right here, this model is so freaking good. Okay, like you guys, it's unbelievable how good it is. But I'm just going to take, I mean, if I had two contracts here, I would take a partial here and a partial here. But I think I'm just going to leave it down to this low. But again, it should go much lower than this, but yeah, I don't know. I might even take it at the first low, but I think it's just going to completely collapse. So there is a chance that we do bounce from this level. So what I might do actually Okay, so we're up like 400 bucks on this. I think I'm just gonna hold it, guys, personally. Up to you to do what you want to do, but yeah, this is gonna just collapse. I'm telling you right now. See how I was so patient? So we've had 2 wins already, right? But I was so patient that I waited for the right setup. I told you guys it's hard to believe that we might collapse here, but we did. So, I'm telling you, it's all screen time. And now, if I get stopped out, who cares? It's a free trade. If you're on a prop firm, guys, I would definitely suggest moving your stops downward so that you're not getting your mean or your threshold limit stopped or whatever it is. But for cash accounts, and this prop firm account is far beyond the threshold. I think it's like past if you make $2,600 on a 50K, the drawdown limit or whatever gets stopped. So, but now this is a free trade, and I just get to watch it. Okay, so if you guys are on a prop firm, I would take a partial here or take full TP because we could easily reverse to the upside before going down. What I'm going to do, the next leg up in price, I'm going to move my stop to break even at that high. So like let's say we go up to here and then we take out this low, then my stop will be moved to break even. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but it should. You'll see it after it happens. So I'd like to see a bigger push up here maybe, and then this low get taken out. If not, I'll just have to move my stop immediately, but we'll see what happens here. Okay, so I am gonna, no, not yet. Hold on, let's wait for the next 3-minute candle to print. So we could trade back up to here, guys, just letting you know. I don't think it will happen, but it's possible. I think this is just gonna dump. Okay, so now I'm gonna move my stop here. So at least I'm booking profits, but I think this low is gonna hit now. I don't think it's even gonna deliver up more, but we'll see. If I get stopped, I get stopped for 400 bucks. That's fine. All right, guys. So that was my trade. I do still think this goes much lower, but I'm happy with booking $500. So I'm up almost 800 bucks on the day again, 800 bucks from yesterday. And yeah. So I think that's going to end it, guys. Wow, we stayed on until later. So just study price for now. So you guys in your journals today, look at this setup right here on the 3-minute chart and see how we completely close below it. Study this and you'll see that it happens a lot more than you think. Just be patient and wait for this entry and you guys are going to book a ton of profits. So I know I got stopped out for 500, but this is going all the way here and it's probably going to go all the way down here. But for the sake of time, I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'll rather just book profits, but just wait and see what happens here. Once this low gets hit, I'll go off. And yeah, guys, so don't forget to subscribe, like the video. It helps a lot more people see it. And follow me on X if you guys don't already. It's the same username as my YouTube, Checkmate Trader. And if I see another good setup, guys, I will call it in the Discord. If you guys want to join, the link will be in the description below. And I think also the link to my X is there. And that's completely free, obviously. You guys can DM me there if you have questions and whatnot. But yeah, just watch this collapse. And guys, also, if you haven't entered a trade yet, if this 3-minute closes below, I mean, I would honestly enter right here. Should we try another free trade before I dip? No, I'm not going to, guys. But technically, this is a 3-minute inverse, so you could take this short and move your stop to break even when this low hits, and it's a free trade, which we just got. And now it should just completely dump. I don't think you'll even get stopped to break even here. You might, obviously, but it's a free trade. And okay, so you did get stopped to break even, but that's fine. It's house money. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Study the rest of this. Best of luck with the rest of your trading, and I will be live streaming tomorrow morning as well. Let me just check really quick if there is red folder news. What time? That will tell. I'll tell you what time I'm going to start live streaming tomorrow. So tomorrow we've got red folder news at 8:15. It's non-farm employment, and then PMI at 10. I'll try and be up. I'll try and stream early tomorrow. Around. I don't know. I'll probably be. I'll probably start at market open tomorrow, so 6:30 PST. All right, guys. Best of luck with your trading for the rest of the day. Honestly, I'd be done, guys. I mean, look at this. This is gonna collapse, but your entry should have been here with me, and you could hold it all the way down to these lows. All right, peace out. I'm talking too much.